everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fanny. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you guys do that. Make sure you guys like it, share, comment down below if you guys have any questions. Today we're going to do a quick and easy get ready with me. I'm not going to be really going into so much details. I'm just wanted to film this look that I was going to be doing for today. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I get ready, just keep on watching. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows. As you guys can tell, I look crazy. But I will start with my eyeshadow. And today's video, like I said, is just going to be a get ready with me and using the Morphe palette. So this is the palette that I will be using. Okay, so first off, I'm going to use this brush from Coastal Scents. And I'm just gonna put some powder. I'm going to grab the brush it's the Y18 by Morphe. So if you guys can tell, it's that one. Grab the shade Hey, H-E-Y. And I'm going to apply it on this part of on the crease. And it's by Coastal Scents, and it's a brush like this. And I'm going to grab a brown color. It's in the color Wannabe. I really like that color. And I'm gonna add it to the crease of my eye. Brush that I used initially, I'm just gonna blend. With a different brush similar to the one I showed you. Similar like that. I'm going to grab the shade Click. And that I'm gonna apply on my lower eyelid. We're just gonna blend. I want to add some sparkly in the middle of my eye, so I like using my finger. You just get more pigment. And I'm gonna grab the shade Sizzle. Looks like this. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Okay, so I did my eyeliner. Now I'm going to move on to my foundation. And I'm going to be using the Born This Way, and I use the natural beige shade. One of my favorite bronzers, and it's the Too Faced bronzer, and it's in the shade medium deep matte bronzer. And with my Morphe Y18 brush, I'm going to be adding it on my face. I'm going to do fishy face. The large shadow brush, and it's a brush like this, like that. Do you guys see that? Okay, now with my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade light, I'm gonna tiny bit, because this is really it has a lot of coverage, so I don't want to overdo it. By the way, if you guys hear my little sister, she is taking a bath. She's being pretty loud. Loose face powder. This product, I've had it for over a year, I think, or maybe almost a year, I'm not too sure, but it's so good. Like, and then they sell it like at CVS or Walgreens. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it there for a while, and we're gonna open our Morphe palette again, and we're just gonna add eyeshadow on our lower lashes. I'm going to start with, and I'm gonna use the same brush, the Coastal Scents, this one, and I'm literally just gonna grab the first one, the first eyeshadow that we used, which was that we used, and it is in the shadow Hey. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go straight into the shade Click. It's like the darker shade. And I'm gonna apply it from the corner all the way down. Do you see? Right into my eye. I'm gonna brush off my powder with Morphe Y3. after you bake, sometimes I feel like the bronzer kind of goes away. So now I'm gonna grab my highlight brush, and it's the Y14 by Morphe. This one right here. Some of my favorite, the Master Chrome. Like, let me show you guys. Just let me show you all how it is. Just look at that. It is beautiful. I'm gonna grab some of the product and just apply it on my cheeks. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add setting spray. It's gonna be so cold. Okay. And I'm gonna use All Nighter by Urban Decay. Yeah, I'm gonna do my eyelashes, and I'm gonna use my spoon. If you guys didn't know, I use a spoon because I'm scared that the eyelash curler is gonna break my eyelashes. So this is what I use, and I've been using it for years, like I think elementary school. The setting spray is still my face is still kind of wet, so use my Sephora mascara. Just love it so much. Can't let it go. Mascara off camera because my camera turned off, but I will be applying my lipstick just really quick, and I'm going to be using the Kylie Dolce K. This one, I love this color. And by Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Kimberly. And this is the final look. So make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys comment, like, share, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.